Welcome friends. This is one of the interesting Python coding interview questions. So here there is one input list and three names are given, full names: Mahesh Patil, Sachin Jadhav and Ajit Pawar. Okay. Now your output should be the first occurrence, that is Mahesh, here Sachin and Ajit. Or they may ask you find the second occurrence, that is Patil, Jadhav and Pawar, like this. And how to deal with such a questions, such a interview questions? It's very easy. In Python we will solve this with very easy way. See, first I will make one empty list, that is that will be our output. Okay. And very simple, we have to use a split method there. Okay, split method. See, for char, any char, or you may give I or any name there. For char in what name, that's it. For char in name, and just append this. Okay, result dot append. What we have to append? This char. Just split this. When we split that, split method is there. And which which occurrence, index Mahesh is at the this is first index, zero, first position na, zero index. This is one first index, this is second index. So this is zero index, and occurrence is 1 or 2, like this. So if I write here uh, then 0, so we will see what will be the desired result. Then if I print the result, then Mahesh, Sachin and Ajit. Let's say I want the second surname, I want surname. Then see, Patil, Jadhav and so on, like this. Okay. And again, if I want M or S or A, then we can again sort it by using slicing. So this is a simple approach that we should follow. So just Mahesh means Mahesh, Sachin and Ajit. These three characters are at the zero. So if I put again here zero, then you will get the desired answer. Okay, that is Mahesh, Sachin and Ajit. Zero means, okay, in this way. Thank you.